My business is Dusty Dog Designs, and my name is Gabe Litterman. What I make at Dusty Dog Designs are custom wood products and dog items. My favorite thing about X-Carve is the ability to design anything I want. It really brings a customer's imagination to a tangible item. Using the X-Carve, you're completely able to make some extra money or do it full time. So what I do, I work full time, I come home, I'm either designing or I've got all of my pieces already prepped and ready to go. I think it just comes together for my whole life and passion. My love of dogs, my love of creating, it seems like a perfect fit. My husband and I, we were looking for extra income and we knew we wanted a CNC machine. A lot of people were saying that the X-Carve was great for folks that have never had a CNC machine before. It's small, it's reasonably priced, and it's easy to use. We were looking at different software we might have to purchase, and Easel came free with X-Carve. You can do any sort of design you want. So depending on what my customers want, I can make them a big 30 by 30 sign or a small little dish. I'm creative and I love to make new things, and I love it when they say, "I trust you, do whatever you want." People liked my products. They started telling other people, sharing it, and with, limited funds, I'm able to expand my business. We're renovating our house, and this is money that we've not had before, and so that's exciting. I think it's opened up my lifestyle. Instead of thinking I have to go to a day job, I'm seeing that it can be so much bigger, that I can bring my passion into a business that I can see myself doing full time. It's really awesome to see it come to life.